Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard theme in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So for changing the theme, all you guys have to do just go to setting and then go to search bar so that the keyboard appears. You can also go to any other application like SMS, WhatsApp. All we guys have to do just want to keyboard appears. So that go to setting here. As you see on the third, we have option of theme. So just tap on theme and then these are the themes. So just select any theme from here. Just download a theme, so it will be look like this. If you want this theme, so just click on apply. Now go back and go to settings, so see the keyboard. So this is how we can change the theme in keyboards. Let me change another one, like if I want this theme, so it will be look like this. Now click to apply, go back to setting again. As you guys see, the keyboard theme is now again changed. So this is how we can change the theme in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.